welcome to my channel Laddu and Mom. In this video I'll be showing you how to prepare fruit cake or plum cake but without using egg or oven. So let's get started. Let's soak all these dry fruits in orange juice. You can take any juice you prefer, like apple juice or even grape juice. It is according to your preference and taste. I have taken orange juice. Now for the dry fruits, I have taken raisins, black raisins, dates, I have chopped it, cashew and badam, tutti frutti, okay, and then orange juice. This is fresh orange juice which I have taken. I've taken 1 cup of orange juice. Now let's mix all this. You can even add apricots, fig according to your taste, but I have taken only so much. Now let's soak this for about 1 hour. Okay, now our dry fruits has been soaking in orange juice for about an hour. Now let's see what other ingredients we have to use for baking. I've taken 1.5 cups of maida, baking soda, baking powder, vinegar, sugar to caramelize. I'll show you how, butter, and powdered sugar. In this powdered sugar I've used cinnamon, dry ginger and about 4 cloves. You can either skip this or use it. Milk. I'm not using any essence as already our dry fruits has been soaking in orange juice. So it will have a good orange flavor. So I'm not using any essence. So let's start. Before we start, we need to preheat our vessel which we are using, as we are not using oven. So I'm using this kadai today for baking. So now we will preheat this. So we'll keep it in medium flame. We'll cover it and we'll heat it. Next, we'll start caramelizing our sugar. So I've taken a pan. So we need to caramelize the sugar. I have told you before, I've taken about 4 teaspoons of sugar. We'll add this. I'm not adding any water as of now. And you have to do this in low flame or it will get burnt very quickly. You can see the sugar is nicely melted and it started to change its color. Once it turns light golden brown, we'll switch off the flame and add hot water to it, about 2 to 3 tablespoons to stop its crystallization. That's all. See, it has started to change its color. At this stage, what we'll do, we'll add a little water. See, it should be of this consistency. It should be watery consistency, that's all. Now we'll transfer this to a bowl. This will give a nice brown color to our plum cake. Okay, now after that we'll add 1 spoon of vinegar to the milk. If you don't have vinegar at home, you can add lemon juice also. This is a substitute to egg. After adding vinegar, it will start to curdle. Okay, now let's keep this aside. Now let's take a bowl. I'm using this bowl. Add maida. I've taken 1.5 cups of maida. Uh, 1 cup of powdered sugar with spices. Butter. One spoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. We'll just mix it nicely first. Next, caramelized sugar syrup. Our dry fruits. Our dry fruits soaked in orange juice. We'll add milk little by little. Okay, now our cake mixture is ready. Now I'll transfer this into the greased mold. I've already greased it. I've kept butter paper. Now I'll transfer this. Okay, now I'll even this out. Okay, and we'll tap it so that it's nice and even. On top, I'll garnish this with few more nuts, just for that extra nutty flavor. You can skip this if you don't want. It's already full of nuts. Okay, now this is done. Okay, now this is ready, and our pan has been heating for about 10 minutes now, nice and hot, so be a bit careful. Now few people, they will add salt or sand down, or they will keep any vessel or something, but I'm not using that. I'm keeping it directly. Okay, this is done. I'll now cover it. So I am using glass cover. You can use any vessel. Even you can cover it with a plate, no problem. Only thing, it should be fully covered. Like air should not escape. So now we have a small hole in this. So what I'm going to do is, get a paper and I'll just close it. See, done. So that the air does not escape. Sorry, the heat does not escape. And as it is a glass plate, I can see how it's cooking. So it will take about approximately 15 minutes to cook on medium flame. So let's see after 15 minutes. So it's been almost 25 minutes now. Now let's check our fruit cake, whether it's done. See, it's come out neatly. So now let's turn off the flame and let it cool down, and then we'll remove it. Previously I told you it will take about 15 minutes. See, now each vessel, it depends upon the vessel which you are using. Each vessel time will vary. Now it took me around almost about 25 minutes to bake. So you can insert a toothpick or knife and check whether it's done or not. If it comes out clean, that means it's done. So now let's cool down and then we'll plate it. Okay, now I'll transfer this into the plate. Okay, now let's plate this. Wow, it's looking so yummy, right? It's baked perfectly. Yummy plum cake or fruit cake is ready, and look how perfectly it is baked. Do try this at home and let me know your views in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Laddu and Mom. Bye.